This is Telecoms Talk at the FTTH Council in Luxembourg. I'm here with Simon Richardson of Fujikura. Simon, welcome to Telecoms Talk. You gave a presentation yesterday, I think it was, comparing rural deployments in Europe to Japan, because you have unique experience of Japan. What were the main points you were making?
Yes, well, I think the first thing was the historical development of fibre to home in Japan. Because they had such a very early lead in that deployment, they moved straight to fibre. They didn't have the dilemma of shall we use VDSL or the hybrid technologies. So they made a very firm decision right from the start to deploy fibre instantly.
Now, as a result, you're showing here a solution for deployment that involves just 9 pieces of kit. That's incredible. How have you done that?
Yeah, that's right. Well, the solution was developed with NTT and the other Japanese manufacturers of fibre components, and it was done deliberately as a straight to fibre solution. So the key things were to make the system very easy to handle for people who were not experienced with fibre, and also to make it cheap and flexible to install. So it's the experience of the operator and the experience of a component manufacturer combined to make a solution that fits their needs right from the start.
And let's just remind the market with NTT, we're talking about a company that's installed 24 million lines of this kit. So, when you're buying from Fujikura, you're buying proven kit that's been out there in the field.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. It's been, I think since about 2000 when they first started deploying fibre. It came about as a result of the strong ADSL competition, so NTT really needed to have that lead. And yeah, it's field proven, and in fact we've deployed the system in one island, remote island between the Philippines and Japan, where they have several typhoons a year, 190 mile an hour winds and very high humidity, and it stood up to that. So it's it's reliable as well as easy and cheap to install.
Yeah, that sounds fantastic. I think one of the things you're saying here is that installation time can be less than an hour. It's quite incredible.
Yeah, well, I mean, we've heard that the installation time in Asian countries was very quick and easy, but I'm very pleased to say that we've now deployed in Europe, in Hungary, in very large numbers actually, and the feedback there is that they were able to install 20 network access points per day with a 2-man team. And once that access point is there, it can be actually connected to a home in between about 15 to 20 minutes. So that's pretty quick.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you very much for talking to us, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you.